Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to make a simple poster using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a new PowerPoint file. The first basic step in any software for a poster making is to set the design template based on our need. Go to Design tab in the top ribbon and click on Custom Slicer Size for changing the size. Here, we are making this poster in the size of a basic Instagram post. So the size is 1080 pixels or 9 inches for both width and height. For changing the color or adding different shapes and elements, you can use the Format Background panel in the right side or Format tab present in the top ribbon. But the Format tab will appear only after adding some shapes to the template. By pressing the Shift and Control button, while dragging a shape, you can drag any shape at equal size in all directions. Use Text box from the Home tab for adding text to your poster. Here is our simple poster. So, based on the today's lessons, you can create your own poster easily. Thanks for your valuable time for this video. Stay tuned for future lessons on design and poster making. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe for Facile Stuff. We make things simple.